Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are all fine. Today, are you ready for your class? Okay, then, welcome. I'm your English teacher, Rehana Ferdouse from Shahid Anwar Girls College. And today, I'm going to teach you on writing part, writing a paragraph. This class is for all 8, 9, 10 students. Even class 6 and 7 students can share this. Okay, so we will uh, learn to write a paragraph on a place today. What to be written in such paragraphs to describe a place or object? Let's see. First, you have to write what is that place for. That means you have to write the introductory sentences for the topic. That would be the topic sentence. Then you have to describe what are there in that place. Then you will write what can be seen in such places. That means the visual aspects of that place. Then you have to write who works or comes there. Then you will write why this place is important for people or in the country. For example, such paragraphs are like a tea stall, a railway station, etc. Okay, so welcome to the new class today, and you may start thinking now, seeing all the things and making your paragraph very good one for A plus marks. Okay, see what can you see here. I think you all know this. This is Kamalapur railway station. It is in Dhaka. We know this is the biggest and prettiest railway station in our country. Okay, that means we are taking example for writing a paragraph on a place on a railway station today. Okay, let's see what's there for you. If we finish this lesson today, we will learn after this lesson that what is our railway station, what are there in a railway station, why it is so important for us. It will also help us to describe some place, and it will help you developing speaking and writing skill also. See, can you tell what is this picture for? Yes, here we have the view of the serpentine queue in front of the ticket counter in a railway station. This is the first view when you entered into a railway station, and people are in ticket counter like this. And if you want to go to somewhere by train, then you have to do all this. What is this? People are waiting here, isn't it? Yes, and there are the rail tracks, and this is the waiting place. Here we can see people are waiting in the railway station. Now what can you see? People are waiting, and they are looking at the coming train. And it's a very crowded place when the train arrives. Before the train arrives, the place is very crowded. But when the train leaves, here the train is leaving, and you see there is no person on the station because all guests enter into the train. That means the railway station becomes empty and silent after the train leaves. And what is there? Oh, here is the station master's room. You can see here this building, this red colored building is the railway station master's room. Generally, it is made of red brick. That means it's a red brick built house. Okay, then what can you also see there? After seeing all these, can you share what can also see there? Yes, you can see tea stall with cookies and bread, bananas, etc. You can also see magazine and newspaper stalls. And the most important, you can see railway porters, those we call coolies. See, here, this is a common tea stall in a railway station, and there we can see there is a magazine stall and something others also are sold there. And in this tea stall, we can see a kettle and there are some biscuits and some other things also. So a hot stove always remains there. That tea pot is always on the hot stove and the kettle remains there. Okay, then we can see the most important thing that there are the railway porters. Yes, the coolies. And commonly they wear red dresses in almost all railway stations in the world. And they they take our loads, our heavy loads they carry for us because we need them there, because from our railway station we cannot go far away with such big luggages. But these people help us, and commonly they have a number of them. Can you see here? There is a number badge. Okay, so these people are very important for a railway station because in a rail near a railway station you cannot find much transport. You have to walk a long way with these heavy loads, and you have to find out your car or the auto rickshaws or something else. You have to go outside the railway station. That's why these porters are very important for us in a railway station. Okay, now let's have some new ideas. Can you tell me any special information about the different use of a railway station? The common uses we all know, but what are the different uses of a railway station? Okay, let's see some picture. What can you see in this picture? Can you see? It's a time of night, and here the station is almost empty, but some people are sleeping here. Can you see? Some people are sleeping here. They are homeless people, shelterless people, and they find no places to sleep, and they have no money to have a room for them to sleep in. That's why homeless people try to find out a place to sleep in a railway station at night. So we can use this idea in our paragraph that it is very important for us because it provides shelter to the shelterless people. Though this is not wanted from anybody, but commonly it happens in everywhere. Okay, now I think from seeing all these pictures, you can Now imagine why railway station is important for us. Yes, first point is it is very important because it is an important way of our communication system. It's cheaper, safer, and easy communication system for mass population of Bangladesh. By a train, we can very cheaply move one place to another, and it's safer. Boys and girls can walk there. Elderly people sometimes got tired of sitting for a long time in the seat, and in train they can easily walk, but in bus or other vehicles you can't. That means it's safer and easy for you also. So we definitely need a good and convenient railway stations for our easy dealing of going one place to another. So are you happy with all these informations to give them in your in your paragraph? And I have also given you a new idea that you won't find in a book. That means you can write a very good paragraph on this. Okay, you can also discuss in pair at your house or in your class with someone else if you ever have been to a railway station. And if yes, you can exchange your experience with others. Okay, now time for homework. You should write down a paragraph within 150 words on a railway station. And remember, you have to write the paragraph only in a single para. Sometimes students make mistakes that they write paragraph, forgetting that they're writing a paragraph, and they make two, three para. Then it becomes a composition, not a paragraph. So be sure that you are writing your paragraph only in a single para. So isn't learning a fun? I think you enjoyed the lesson. Okay. Thanks for watching the class. God bless. Have a great week. Bye.